All right, good morning. As promised, another video blog from me. I did actually get a couple of questions from you guys regarding some things health and fitness wise, so let's get right into it. First question is from a really good friend of mine, and she says, what are your thoughts on intermittent fasting? Basically, there's a 16-hour gap between meals, and then you get to eat whatever you want. Well, that type of fasting is classically defined as any time between a 16-hour window and a 48-hour window where you pretty much don't eat anything, nothing. All you do is drink water. Now, my opinion on that is it really depends on what your activity level is. If you're somebody who's really, really active and doesn't have that type of time to not be active, then no, I wouldn't suggest it at all because you do not want to pass out on the ground and be in the hospital because you decided not to eat. So that's a no. However, if you're somebody who doesn't have that type of active lifestyle, sure. There are many studies that say there are benefits. There's some that say there aren't. So it's pretty much a personal thing. Because I teach so much, do not have the time to do any kind of fast, really. Maybe a 4-hour fast, if that. But that's about it. It really much just depends on how your body feels and how you feel doing something like that. Like I said, if you have the time to not be as active and you want to give it a try, then sure, go ahead and do it. If not, then don't sweat it. It's not going to make or break you. Then for the second part of her question, she asked to eat anything that you want after the fast is over. I say that's a no, no, no. Why would you fast and then go eat a bunch of junk? Now, if you're going to fast to try to cleanse yourself or whatever your purpose behind it is, follow it up with eating healthy things. Why poison your body again by feeding it things that aren't really good for you? So that was one question. I hope that kind of answered it. I have another question from another friend. And she says, Tiffany, why is it that my friend and I are on the same weight loss program, but we're getting very different results? She's losing tons of weight and doesn't work out, yet I work out like crazy and eat very little, and I'm not losing any weight. Well, I remember when I felt the same way. And I would say, my friend and I, or my mom and I, are doing the same plan, and she doesn't work out anywhere near as much as I do, or whoever doesn't. And they're losing weight, eating little small meals, or even not even 1-2 meals a day, and they're maybe doing shakes or whatever it may be. They would be losing tons of weight, and I would be killing myself in the gym, not eating a lot, and I'm not losing weight, and sometimes gaining weight. So, I was like, that's not right. I don't understand. But after doing some research, I discovered that everybody is different. So that means that no weight loss plan is going to be the same for anybody, unless you and that person have the exact same lifestyle, the exact same habits, and everything is identical. If not, your results won't be the same. So for your friend who doesn't work out and eats a little bit, yes, she's going to lose weight because she doesn't need to fuel herself like you do because you work out. Like if you're working out a lot, like I am, for instance, you can't have 2 meals or 2 meals a day and then that's it and think you're going to lose weight. You're not, because essentially you're starving yourself. So I hope that kind of cleared up some questions, and keep them coming. See you guys soon. Bye.